On the other hand, their defense very good. When you look at the turnovers forced today.
Samantala sa tapikan ng bola doon. Will McDonald getting it. Was hit by Mick Pinisi. But Mick was thrown the ball by Will McDonald. But the reaction was a bit late.
Medyo nahuli lang.
Ito, makikita natin sa slow-mo. Nagkatama sa braso. Uy, delayed reaction.
Hindi. Pero tinatawag na masama lang yung signal. Nahuli lang.
Oo.
And the people here in the Coliseum, napanood nila yung replay. Pati sila Tingnan natin. Kumbaga huli lang ang sound.
Oo. Hindi, that's adrenaline. Parang pag may
adrenaline. Yung mga tao. Slowly expecting here. Eto na, nagbanggaan. Tumama. Ay, tumama pala. Tumama.
Even Mick Pinisi is now laughing at himself.
Si Mick Pinisi yan, lumingit Tuwan-tuwa siya sa sarili niya Eto.
Magsasawa ang active center dito sa clip na ito ni Mick.